Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join Zoom meeting on PC. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activity by yourself. Before moving on to this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get straight into the video. Open your Zoom app on your PC. You can either be signed in already or not. You can still join meeting. In today's video's case, I'm going to show you when we are signed in this video conference app. You can see this page after you have signed in. Now, here click on Join. Enter your meeting ID or personal link name here. And the other place is to enter your name that you want to put on meeting. Now there are two options, don't connect audio and turn off video. You can do that. Then simply click on join. Here enter your meeting password. Then click join meeting. You'll get an option if you want to open the camera for meeting or not. It is really good option so that you know how you're gonna look when you open your camera. For now, I'd like to join this meeting without the video. This page will be displayed if the meeting is private, and if the meeting is not private, you'll enter directly. When you first enter the meeting, you will not be able to hear any voice, or your voice will not reach people. To open the audio or to join audio, on the bottom left corner, you can see join audio. Click on join audio, then you'll be able to hear voices and your voice can reach out them. That is all for today. Now you know how to join Zoom meetings on PC. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.